Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier X3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your device or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start with these earbuds, delete all the pairing history so that you can set them up as a brand new set of earbuds. It's really quite easy to do. All we're going to do is we're going to take our earbuds out of the case, and if they're paired to each other you might only need to do this on one, but you can do this on both, and it's really just the easiest way to do it is just do it on both. You can do it at one at a time. You're just going to come in, press and hold the back button for 8 seconds. And you'll know that it's complete when the blue light flashes 6 times on the earbud. When you get 6 blue flashes, then you can release it. Everything has been cleared off of that earbud, and it will try to pair with its partner, and then you can go ahead and set them up as a new set of earbuds.